it's yet another day, and of course having a very mind-blowing video today. So many people have been asking me, yes, we have been mining cat airdrop or hamster or worldcoin or dogs or tan, whichever, or banana. How do we now sell? How do we cash out and get the money in your favorite currency? And of course, in today's video, that is what we are going to talk about. Okay, so first thing which you need to do is to convert your token into USDT, because USDT is the stable currency. You can either do it in a USDC or USDT, but in this video today we're going to carry out in a USDT. Okay, so there are two ways. You either go to the market section here. Let me indicate, here it is, the market section. Once you go to the market section, of course, not the market section, I mean the trade section. The trade section, here it is, the trade section. Once you go to the trade section, of course you will go to, you now see something of this nature where you convert maybe hamster to USDT. For example, if that's what you have been mining, you now change into USDT. Then of course you will now indicate the available amount here. You can either put any amount that you want to wish. If you want to sell everything, you just click here, max, the maximum. Okay, then you now go to this section here. Okay, trade. Okay, trade. Okay, so once you now come to that nature, you now need to confirm. Okay, but since I have already done so in before, then it won't be of use now. Okay, that is the first thing. The second thing, it's under the trade. You can go to the spot under the trade, the spot, because you're having the convert and the spot. Then you go to this section here, this section here, sell. Okay, then you go to sell. Then of course you're now going to be required to sell against USDT to which now thing. For example, here I'm going to now, at my case here, I have to now indicate here what am I selling against. Then of course I will choose. Okay, I'll choose. For example, if I'm going against USDT, yeah, here it is. Yeah, maybe if I'm having whichever the case, if I want to maybe sell the dogs, of course I'll now change dogs into USDT. Okay, then of course there's amount here, there's a section here where you need to now put the amount. Here it is. Okay, then I'll put amount. Okay, so if it's 100 or 1,000, it will tell me, and of course it also indicate how much USDT you'll get. There it is. Okay, then after that, of course, you now indicate, you now sell. Okay, you now sell. You now sell once you're now through with that. Okay. Then after a short time, like maybe 1 or 3 minutes, your tokens will now be in form of USDT, and now you will exactly come to this section again. It's called wallet. In here, I mean, that's the last thing I think you see, the wallet section here. Okay. Of course, you will get now your tokens in form of USDT, but they will be now in the spot section. What do? Just transfer them. So as you can see in the spot wallet there is my USDT. Then I have, of course, to transfer them into the funding, as I have told you that you need first to now search them, transfer them into the funding wallet. And of course, what am I going to transfer? Of course, it's the USDT. Okay, it is the USDT that I'm going to transfer. Then of course I have to search for the USDT. Of course, I'm having a little bit of a net connectivity, but I believe it's going to work. Let's give it time. I have, of course, there it is. I have successfully transferred that amount of USDT from the spot wallet to the funding wallet. Of course, when you go to the funding wallet there, you see there it is amount. Okay, there's the P2P section. You just go to the P2P section. And of course, in this section, we're not going to buy, but we are going to sell. Okay, go to the selling section. Of course, you are seeing there's a USDT amount, then there's a payment method. Choose the favorite payment method. For me, I'll choose the till, mobile till. If you do not choose that one, you leave it all, you are going to get amount, the payment as credit. So you have to choose the method of payment. Okay, once I'm done there, I'm going to choose the person that I'm going to sell according to the amount that I'm going to choose. For me, it's about maybe 15,000 to around 20,000 there, Kenyan shilling. So that's what I'm going to search. And of course, I've got that favorite person between a selling amount $69 to about $1,700. So you see, it's agreement. Then of course, I indicate the order. Of course, I'm now waiting for that person to pay me. Okay, so I hope you're getting there, that section, that you have now placed order as once you now get the person that is buying the amount of USDT that you are having. Okay, you cannot just choose anyone around. You have to choose someone who is buying the value of the USDT that you have. And of course, you cannot sell something that is not above 1,000 Kenyan shilling. Okay, of course, this person has said that he has paid that amount. Of course, I have to verify if, of course, I have received the amount. Okay, because there's so many things, of course, happening in the P2P section. You might even be scammed. So you have to verify the amount if that person has paid you. So of course, I have to go to the my app where I normally receive cash, and because of the security measures, you cannot see the amount that I have received. Of course, it's because of the app security application. But of course, I have verified. I have received the amount. Okay, the amount is in the account, so I have gone there. Of course, I have to verify, yes, I have received this amount from that person. Okay, so once you have now verified, of course, you have to now put the security measures. For me, I use the Google Authenticator app. That's where I will need to go and copy. Then I paste the pin so that I now release. There it is. I have successfully sold that amount of USDT to that amount of money. It's as simple as such. Wonderful. Of course, you need to be very careful so that you do not get scammed and you don't lose your money. Okay, so that's all for now as far as selling the USDT into P2P section. Of course, if you find this information useful, kindly subscribe, like, and comment. Peace.